Hi, I'm John Henry for Frayne Industries. I wrote the book on packaging machinery. A while ago, I ran across a video showing a bottling line at Seagram's Distillery in the 1960s. It's pretty interesting to see how slow and manual the line was. Lots of people, not a lot of throughput. I thought it might be interesting to compare how the various line functions were handled then and how they're handled now. The Seagram's line is shown at normal line speed, which seems to be about 150 bottles per minute. The newer systems are shown at varying speeds, but would normally run at 300 to 500 bottles per minute. Most of it with no operators other than to refill cap hoppers, clear jams, and the likes. So let's see how things have changed in the last 50 years. The first step is always getting the bottles on the line. Here we see a guy dumping reshippers. This is an automated case dumper. Next is cleaning. Seagram's used 2 operators to manually air blow each bottle. This is a fully automated high-speed rinser. The filling machines then and now look much the same, a bit faster now and with nicer construction and controls, but much the same. Had trouble believing the capping at Seagram's. 2 operators placed the caps, then 2 more tightened them by hand. The fully automated capper assures precise torque every time. Labeling was also a bit hard to believe. Getting one front label on the bottle requires 2 operators. One to wet and place it, a second to position it. An automated labeler places multiple labels in the wink of an eye. You need good inspection, and we can see what Seagram's was doing with this eagle-eyed inspector and her reject system. Today we use a camera and blow off any badly labeled products automatically. 2 operators placing bottles in boxes? There's an app for that. This operator seems to spend a lot of time just putting 2 labels on each case. This machine not only applies the label, but prints it before applying. Case closing hasn't changed much. This isn't Seagram's, but this is how they would have palletized the cases. My back hurts just watching them. A robot takes all the strain out of the job. Are you still packing the old school way? You can't afford to do that anymore. Even if you could afford the people, you can't find them. You need to automate for success, and Frayne, with 10,000 automation projects in the book, more than 1 million square feet of machinery in stock, is your one-stop shop. Visit their website at www.fraingroup.com. Better yet, visit their plant in Carol Stream, Illinois, just minutes from O'Hare. The sooner you start automating, the sooner you'll start winning. I'm John Henry. Thanks for watching.